p28 here, and we're going to do a chainsaw talk video. This is the Pioneer P28, made 1980 model. Let's look at some of the features it has. It has a easy arc starting, is a depression valve underneath this recoil here, and the bar oil will go in the top part, and your gas two-stroke oil mix will go in the bottom. It has an 18-inch PowerTech, made in Australia, bar and chain. It has a steel chain, 3/8. Plastic throttle handle.
No. Oh, throttle lever.
Throttle lever.
Okay.
It's got a throttle lock. It's got a depression. You have to press this in before you can throttle up. Choke. Metal bulky switch down here. An easy access air filter cover. You just pop that screw, and then you can get into the carburetor. Just a very nice saw. Runs good for the year that it was made. They were made in Peterborough, Ontario, in Canada. Very well made saws. They ended up going under. I don't know when they went under, but they made good saws. This one here has a low speed needle, no high speed needle, and it's got a idling speed needle. You just pop this off and you can get to it. But it runs good. It takes 16:1 oil ratio with your fuel mix. Nice looking saw.
Original owner is your great uncle.
And the original owner was my great uncle. Now my uncle owns it, and we've been happy with it. Besides getting a bar and chain, it's been kind of hard doing that, but very nice saw.